Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your computer into a portable hotspot device. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your start option here and now go to settings. After that, here you can see network and internet option. Click that option here. And on the left side, you can see the option mobile hotspot. Just click that option again. And here you can see share my internet connection with others. It's turned off. And this is the network name, the desktop, and also the network password. If you want to change the name and the password, all you have to do is just click edit option. And here you can change it to anything. And you can also reset your password. Like if I'm going to give this password and just click the save option here. Now, as you can see, the password is changed, and to turn this hotspot on, just click this option here and it will take a few seconds and the hotspot is on. There is no device is connected. You can see if the device is connected or not. And now all you have to do is connect to this hotspot and you are ready to go. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.